Okay, so we're doing limiting reactants. Okay, and last night's work, you guys were trying to change. This is the equation that you guys had last night. Okay? That's the equation you had last night, and you were trying to change the mass of HCl to the mass of zinc chloride. Right? And in your calculations, hopefully you guys found that it was 9.34 grams of zinc chloride. Is that the answer you guys got for yesterday's? Okay, so now we're going to be doing limiting reactants. That's how much of this was produced by this. Okay, how much of this did we use? We used 5 grams. And what if I said I had 5 grams of zinc? If I have 5 grams of zinc and I said I have 5 grams of this and I have 5 grams of this, which one's going to get used up first? That's the question. Which one's going to get used up first? Okay? So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to convert this. I taught you guys 3 different methods to solve this. How many of you guys like the chart? The Chang method? How many of you guys like the old school way, the original way that I taught it? And how many of you guys like the one that I taught yesterday? Okay, so we have like 7 people who voted. What about the rest of you guys? Just don't like doing it. Okay. So I'm going to use the old school way of doing it. So we have 5 grams of zinc. And what's the molecular weight of zinc? Okay, good. That's how many grams per mole of zinc. Okay, for those of you guys who are talking, we are recording, so please. What's the mole-to-mole ratio between zinc? How many moles in the equation? We have 1 mole of zinc. And we're trying to get to zinc chloride, so 1 mole of zinc chloride. And in 1 mole of zinc chloride, I'm going to cheat last night's homework. Zinc chloride was 136.28. Punch this into your calculator. 5 times 136.28 divided by 65.38. Five times 136.28 divided by 65.38. You should get 10.4. Okay? So, 5 grams of this produced 9.34 grams of zinc chloride. And 5 grams of this produced 10.4 grams of zinc chloride. Which one's smaller? Green or orange? Green is orange. I was just recorded. I said green was orange. So green is the smaller one, yes? So that means that's the limiting reactant. So the 5 grams of HCl is going to be your limiting reactants. So basically we're going to be doing the exact same thing that we did yesterday, but we're going from a reactant to a product. It doesn't matter which one. If it were up to me, I would change it to hydrogen because that's a lot easier to find the molecular weight for. And then you're going to do the other reactant to the same product. We're going to compare the mass of the 2 products. The smaller one is going to be your limiting reactant. Easy enough? Easy peasy? Lemon squeezy? Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how I do it. In this method, you have to do two mass-to-mass conversions. Mass-to-mass conversion and mass-to-mass conversion. You have two mass-to-mass conversions to do. So let me show you the method that I use. I change zinc to hydrogen chloride. Okay? So zinc, this is hydrochloric acid, very strong stuff. You don't want to get it on yourself. Okay, so we have zinc. So we have 5 grams of zinc. Yeah, let me show you the chart method. What I have, what I want, what I have, zinc, if you look at the periodic table, zinc is 6538. What I want, so what I have is zinc. What I want is HCl. And HCl is 3545 plus 101. So 3646. So that's the molecular weight. What's the mole in front of the zinc? What's the mole in front of the HCl? Take this number, divide, multiply, multiply. Divide, multiply, multiply. So take 5, divide by 6538, times 2 times 3646. Go ahead and do that on your calculators. Did you guys get 5.5 grams of HCl? 5.5 grams? Okay, so this produces 5.5 grams of HCl, but I already had 5 grams of HCl. Which one's smaller? 5 grams of HCl or 5.5 grams of HCl? 5 grams of HCl is your limiting. Whichever one is smaller is your limiting. So 5 grams of HCl is your limiting reactant. You have excess zinc. Because 5 grams of zinc produces or uses up 5.5 grams of HCl. So this uses up 5.5 grams of HCl. We only have 5, so we don't use up all our zinc. We use up all our HCl, but we don't use up all our zinc. Does that make sense?